Here is Buddy, formerly known as Butkus, who just got checked out of the Camarilla shelter, taken to the vet that established that he does not have diabetes, neither is he blind. Hello. Hi, Olivia. Hi, Olivia. Hey, Buddy. He spent about 2 weeks sitting in the kennel, so he's not at his prime right now, walking and everything. But he's wonderful with other dogs. Likes girls. And absolutely fantastic. So far he has been housebroken and has wandered around the house and comes right back outside. Hello, love.